about a roaster. You a Miata like this. This boy does not even have a freaking windshield. What the heck? So what's up, guys? Today we're at Autocross, month of April. Hoping to do really good on this one. I've installed not a good amount of mods, but it's just I've done a good amount of some preventive maintenance and some mods as well. Let me walk you through it. I just got the new wheels, the RPF ones. I'm running 17 by 7.5s in the front, 17 by 9s in the back. Tires that I went with are the Falcon Zinis, and they are the AT615K Plus. I kind of knew this, but I kind of didn't, but the SCCA has a lot of rules on what you can and can't do to your car in order for you to stay in your specific class. So I am STR class. In order for me to stay in there, I can't, the widest I can go for a tire is 225 up front and 255 in the rear, so that is what we have on it. I also have the upgraded air intake this time around. I don't know if it'll make that much of a difference. I can't really tell if it added a lot of power. I know it's a lot more fun. Just hearing them, it's basically an exhaust for the front of my car. It sounds a lot better. I've noticed that there's a bit more throttle response to it. The first time since 2 or 3 months ago that I ran it pretty much stock because I didn't have my brakes in time ready. I didn't have an alignment done either. So yeah. Also got the new side decal, and I don't know, it's one of those little ricer things that I like. I didn't just get it for no reason, because I actually need it for autocross. But I really like the way it looks, and I'll probably keep it on there for the road. I don't know if you could see this, but I actually took the car to the track about a week or 2 ago. Yeah, it did some damage. It's like a really last minute thing though, that's why I didn't vlog any of it. Funny story about this vet. That vet was actually bought totaled, and just kind of left the front end off, you know, for weight reduction, and been having pretty good times. That is flying. Okay, so heat 2 is about to end. I'm going in heat 3, so I'm about to start. So looking at heat 2, I was able to kind of see what the other S2000s and the other people in my class were running, and the fastest S2000 time I saw was about 45. Everybody else is like a pretty intense suspension setup, and I'm all stock when it comes to that. I think my tires and wheels, I mean, they'll give me an advantage, but I'm just not sure about how much. Another thing, I'm gonna be running my GoPro on my helmet this time, and I'm not sure how that's gonna look, but you know, other times I've had it either on windshields or I'm thinking of, like, for the next time or something, I can have it to where it's kind of like right to the behind my seat, pretty much to the right. That way you can kind of get a whole perspective. But let me know what y'all think of the shot, whatever is most appealing or whatever. And yeah, here we go. Okay, so first win of the day for me.
And Brixie in a BRZ with a 50.998.
Let's get a good feel for the track. See how we do. We got some time to clean up. I don't think I DNF'd or anything. I don't think I hit any cones. So I got 3 seconds to trim down. You know, ideally 4 if I can get into the 44s. I'm not sure though. but there was definitely a time where I can make it up. There were a couple of zones where I definitely felt like I should have been in second and rather than first, but good start, I think, good start.
Ho Chung in an MX-5 with a 45.286.
Bad, very sloppy. Very sloppy. Nice. Damn it. 49. Yeah, at the end I got sloppy there. Man, I just couldn't get faster than that 47.5 today. Damn, that's frustrating. I don't know, we have our good days and we have our bad days. Yeah, I just finished editing that and I just realized that I didn't film anything else that day. Which means I didn't film an outro, so let's talk about this. So yeah, I didn't really film an outro after autocross. I remember I was really kind of bummed that day. I really didn't do well at all. Even I was looking at this position standings here and I got like 7th out of 8. I didn't do the worst, but I mean, I definitely didn't do the best. I really think I just had an off day. I was getting used to the tires and the alignment as well. But I mean, I'm not even gonna act like I'm like the best racer in the world because I'm by far like not, but I was definitely hoping to see like a 4th or 5th place. I mean, at the times and remembering the course, I definitely think I could have gotten a 46 because there was actually, I actually did get a 47, and in case you don't believe me. I am down there at the bottom, and for some reason, my second one I didn't get it on my GoPro, but I got a 47.418, and that +1 means I hit a cone. Time was theoretically there. I was able to get a 47.4, and I don't know, I think I definitely could have gotten into the 46s. It did kind of suck, but it definitely doesn't discourage me. I'm definitely not a quitter, but I'm definitely no stranger to failure either. One of my favorite quotes is, "There is no secret to success. There is only preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. I have my alignment set up where I have a bit of a negative toe in and a big positive in the rear, and that makes my turning really good, but gets the butt really squirrely, and it's just, I don't really like it. So I think I'm gonna try to tone it back a little bit. I really like the tires, and I really think, at least for that, the horsepower, I'm not so much, I don't need more power for right now. I definitely want to put more power in it. The next thing I really want to do though is I really want to start doing suspension mods, because I got into a couple cars in there at the race, and there were some guys with locked discs, but they had their suspension so tuned up. They had coilovers, they had custom strut bars, and they had different types of braces that really helped stiffen up the suspension and really prevented them from getting their butt out. And I really think that that will help me. So I'm gonna see about doing that next. And that's kind of my whole rant on that. Good learning experience. I think the next autocross event's May 6th or May 7th. I don't know, it's a Sunday. I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna do it. But I know for sure that there's a track day coming up on May 11th at we have a track that's like 45 minutes from here. It's at MSR Houston. So I'm definitely gonna do that, and yeah, get the car back out on the track, and I'm really excited for that. But until then, thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.